Hey everyone, my name is Luke Cormier, and today we're going to review the Spektra Flux. Spektra Flux is the newest machine from FK Irons. It's a completely wireless pen style machine. You know, traditionally you'd have your clip cord, foot switch, power supply, all that shit. You can toss it. This is all you need. This is the whole machine. It's all in one. It's so awesome. Everything's color coded, so power button's right there in the middle. Solid green. You match it with the color on the guide. That's 6 volts. Go up. You get a flashing. That's 6.5, 7 volts, orange, and so on. And this thing goes right up to 12 volts. I don't know anyone that would use 12 volts. This machine's so powerful. I do all my line work with 5 to 6 volts. Crazy, right? I color pack at 5 to 6 volts with this machine. For years, I've been going through machine after machine. I spend so much money on machines to try to get something that would pack color and match my hand speed. I couldn't find it. This is it. Like, it sped up my tattooing by 40%. It's absolutely crazy. I'm making more money. It's a beautiful machine. It's super light. It's lighter than it looks. Like, I know this looks heavy, but man, it's so light. I know a lot of people are probably wondering, you know, it's battery powered. How well does that work? As the battery drains, is the power gonna die? That was one of my main concerns with a wireless machine as well. I can tell you, this thing is powerful right to the end. 8, 10, maybe even 12 hours maybe with battery, and it's an hour and a half to charge. It's super fast charging and it lasts a really long time. I tattoo at low volts, so I get a lot out of the battery. The machine also has Bluetooth. They're releasing an app very soon. You download that app to your iPhone, iPad, and then via Bluetooth, you can update the machine. There's gonna be updates for it. I think they're gonna have digital give. So it's a direct drive machine now, but with the app, you're gonna have a machine with give. It's so awesome. Yeah, Spektra Flux, go get one.